ready. Down by the banks of the Petite will cook.
Let's prepare firewood for grilling. I'll try again. Let's go home and make dinner. We'll make squid ink pasta with syopin. First, we will cut off the squid head. Oh no, I cut into the ink sac. Pour the squid into a bowl. Then we will wash off the ink with water. After washing the squid, we peel the skin. Cut squid into small pieces. Put the sliced squid in a bowl. Next step, we will prepare the broth for the dish. Take the shrimp and clams out of the refrigerator. Peel the shrimp. The shrimp meat is put into a bowl of squid. 1, 2. We will stew the shrimp and clam shells to get broth. Pour it into the pot. Add chicken broth to it. Simmer for 30 minutes. Get it out. Next, we prepare the noodles. Pour the flour into the bowl. Add salt and cooking oil. Finally, there is ink to create color. Wait for a few minutes. Use a pestle to roll the flour evenly. Cut the dough into small strips. Now we will boil the noodles. Pour water into the pan. Put the noodles in the pan and bring to a boil. Boil the noodles for a while, then take them out into a bowl. Heat a pan with a piece of butter. Put the onions in the pan. Stir well until the onions are flavored. Next, put the prepared squid and shrimp into the pan. Stir it well until the squid firm up. Pour the broth into it. Finally, add tomato sauce and wait for it to boil. Drop the noodles into the pan when the pan boils. Stir the noodles well to absorb the seasoning. Done! Let's try a bite. you are.
Okay, let's go home.
Today, we will cook crab bisque. First, we need to clean the crab. Pour water into a tray. Then add salt and dissolve. Next, put the crab in salt water and use a scrubber to clean off all the dirt. After cleaning, lift the crab out into a plastic tray. Next step, we need to peel the crab. Take the crab breaks out into a bowl. The rest we peel off the shell under the crab's body, and that's it. Next, we need to prepare some ingredients for the dish. Cut carrots into small pieces. Chop the carrots. Do the same with tomatoes and onions, then put them on a plate. Now we will cook the crab. Drop the crab into the pot and pour in water. Add carrots, green peppers, and onions to the pot. Boil for 10 minutes. When the water boils, open the lid and lower the heat to low. Stir a little, then take the pot out. Pour the crab cooking water into a cup. Oh no, the water has flowed out. Let me get paper to blot it. Next step, take the butter from the refrigerator and start cooking. Wait for the butter to melt in the hot pan. Next, add ginger, garlic, and tomatoes and stir well. That smell is so fragrant. Put the crab breaks in the pan. Stir well. Add carrots and tomatoes too. To make soup, tomato sauce and cream are indispensable. Then pour in the crab juice. To add spice, add garlic powder and pepper and mix well until the mixture thickens. Take the pan out and pour it into the blender to puree. After blending, pour them into a bowl. Done. Just taste it a little.
Yummy!